वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम 3 का टेबल लर्न करेंगे, तो सभी स्टूडेंट्स मेरे बाद रिपीट करें। 3 ones are 3,
3 ones are 3,
3 twos are 6,
3 twos are 6,
3 threes are 9,
3 threes are 9,
3 fours are 12,
3 fours are 12,
3 fives are 15,
3 fives are 15,
3 six are 18,
3 six are 18,
3 sevens are 21,
3 sevens are 21,
3 eights are 24,
3 eights are 24,
3 nines are 27,
3 nines are 27,
3 tens are 30.
3 tens are 30,
3 ones are 3,
3 ones are 3,
3 twos are 6,
3 twos are 6,
3 threes are 9,
3 threes are 9,
3 fours are 12,
3 fours are 12,
3 fives are 15,
3 fives are 15,
3 six are 18,
3 six are 18,
3 sevens are 21,
3 sevens are 21,
3 eights are 24,
3 eights are 24,
3 nines are 27,
3 nines are 27,
3 tens are 30.
3 tens are 30.
ऑल माय व्यूअर्स, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें और चैनल की वीडियोस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।